Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add money to Apple Pay Cash Card. So I'm going to show you some steps to add money to your Apple Pay Cash Card. Step 1. Tap on settings on your home screen to launch the settings app and then choose wallet and Apple Pay. The corresponding window will appear and then tap on Apple Pay Cash in the card section. The information screen is associated with your card appears. And now tap on this blue add money button in the balance section. The select amount screen appears, displaying a keypad along the bottom of the screen, and then enter the dollar amount that you want to add to your Apple Pay Cash Card. You will not be able to add less than $10. After that, tap the blue add button in the upper right corner of the screen. After you enter the dollar amount you want to add to your card, a window flies up from the bottom of the screen displaying available debit or prepaid cards you currently have set up with your Apple Pay account that you can choose to add the money from. Use Touch ID to approve the transaction. You will not be able to use a PIN code to authorize transferring funds. After the transaction is processed, the window along the bottom of the screen will disappear and you will be returned to the Apple Pay Cash information screen where you will see the balance reflects the money you just added. And now you've successfully added money to your Apple Pay Cash card. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.